This is my new federal signal modulator. I forgot what the actual model name. I apologize. I'm just not good with model names sometimes of these modulators. But anyways, just got this modulator yesterday from Gainesville, Georgia. This was removed from service because most of the modulators at Gainesville, Georgia weren't working right. Plus, these modulators are old. Oh yeah, this also came with MCP controllers, which is cool. This modulator is likely going to work since it was moved from service because of bad batteries, actually. That's the only known problem about the Siren. So yeah, this is the modulator. So my father put the trailer to where it belonged for now until we get around to unloading it. So, turns out this thing was just removed from service yesterday. So, and it's likely going to work. And I do have plans for this. I'm going to try to put this thing in service as to be used for announcements and maybe for severe weather, like severe thunderstorm warning. This thing, I would use voice a lot to tell my neighbors what's going on or any alerts in the area. So, okay, here's a different view up close. This thing is huge. I don't think that many Siren enthusiasts own a modulator, but I technically own one now. I'm just really happy I got this yesterday. Oh yeah, here's the tag. I haven't seen the tag yet. Let's see. Okay, it's a 6448B. Okay. Yeah, hopefully I'll remember it this time. As I said, I'm not good with modulator names, so... Right here... To explain why there's two controllers, the two controllers operate half the drivers. Well, each of them operate half the drivers. I think... Oh yeah, all the drivers are actually in the cabinets and not in the modulators in the Siren itself for some reason. So it's fine, just... I'll take them out once this will be unloaded. So hopefully it'll work. As of, I don't know how to hook up this thing yet. I'm really proud to own this modulator, and I'm planning on keeping it. I know it doesn't look in good shape, but I'll try to work on it. I don't know what's built on here, but this is from the 90s. I think it's 1999, I think. I don't know what this is, but this is dirt, so I can clean it off. So... Yeah. There's the original pole it came on, which is in great shape. There's the rest of the controller. Also came with the original mounting bracket too. Okay, here's the... Gonna have to cover that before the rain comes in because it'll be raining. It's not good to be laying like this way. So yeah, I think this is all. I don't have a lot to say. Oh, here's the... It did come with the mounting bracket, the original mounting bracket, just have it somewhere. Here's the cord. And hopefully the project will go well. I don't think I'll be repainting this since... it's not in good shape, and I think it's a lot of work. This is pretty permanent, I think. And I think this is fiberglass, I think. Oh yeah, these take batteries. I think these all drivers take, the controllers, I apologize, take probably like 2 or 4 batteries. So, yeah, I'm proud to own a Federal Signal Modulator 6048B. So yeah, I just hope you enjoyed today, and I hope you liked this video. I could tell you who gave me it. It was given by McCrane Warning Systems in Ryan, Georgia. It was given to me for free because the county didn't want them anymore, and McCrane Warning Systems didn't want it either. So then it was given to me since I want to play around with this, try to get this thing working. But yeah, the Thunderbolt and SG's channel just right there. Yeah, you can see the Thunderbolt. That's good. Yep, here's the Thunderbolt right there. That's what I hopefully plan on putting it right near it, next to it. So, alright. hope you have a good day, and hope you all just had a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's. Thanks for watching.